Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be playing with Kylie Cosmetics cosmetics. Not an original video. I'm pretty sure there's been tons, and I mean tons of videos like this made where people just test out Kylie stuff. I haven't tried everything from Kylie. To be honest, I have just stuck with the liquid lipsticks and I've tried the Velvet liquid lipsticks, but other than that I haven't really dived into her products as much. I've done like dupe videos, fake videos, but I actually haven't tried out highlighters, bronzers, concealers, so I'm gonna do that. I have a box with me right over here, and we have a few things in here. So we're gonna be playing with everything in here. I just received it, so I'm honestly really excited. But first, I know this is a Kylie Jenner try-on video, however, I saw this. This is the Creme's Watermelon Jelly Mist Priming and Setting Spray. And this is supposed to be hydrating, refreshing, and I really want to try this out, which will help reduce the appearance of pores and get rid of excess oil, which I find really interesting because it's supposed to be hydrating yet get rid of excess oil. So we're going to use it. You can use this as a toner after cleansing, or you can use it to set your makeup or just refresh throughout the day. Also, I'm really excited that this is supposed to minimize pores. I have not yet primed, so we will use it. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. It's watermelon-esque. It's kind of gel-like, so I'm like weirded out how this is going to spray.
Did I get a broken one? Why? Okay.
Let's try if it works now. Okay. Not the finest mist, can you see that? It doesn't even spray evenly. It kind of like sprays like one side and the other, but kind of misses your face a little bit, so I mean, it's refreshing. I feel like I left a mess. My vanity is all covered in watermelon juice. My goodness. As always, I'm using a pore filler because that is my life. Okay, pour everything. But I did get a lip kit, obviously. I got a lip liner, I got 2 concealers, I got a bronzer, I also got a highlighter, and then I also got the highlighter palette over here. So we have a few things to play with. I am all over the place. So I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and Tan Latte. I'm just going to put a little bit of this, not too much, because today's one of those days where I'm really staying home. I'm not going anywhere.
I can try to plan to go somewhere, but to be honest with you, I don't know if I'll go anywhere.
I'm going to go first. I got the shade Ivory. I'm not entirely sure if this will match me. I'm hoping. I googled images, but it was just like, I just don't know. So I don't know if this is going to be too light. I have no idea. Wow. It smells like, oh, oops. It smells like paint. It smells like acrylic paint. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. The applicator is very nice and flat, so that's so light. Oops. That's okay. We'll blend it. We'll blend it. We'll blend it. Wow, that's full coverage though. For reals. Damn. Now, I'm assuming that the concealer, I should have read. I should have done my research. I'm assuming that it's supposed to be like a skin-like texture. I think. I don't know. I think it looks really pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath here. It's potent. It's very potent. Acrylic paint smell. Really nice and smooth and brightening underneath the eyes. So A+ for that. Yay! I'm gonna quickly set that before I crease because I crease. It's just my life. I'm a creasy gal, okay? I crease everywhere. Does anybody else sing while they do their makeup? If I'm not doing a video, I am honestly doing my makeup watching a YouTube video. I spend my day when I can watching YouTube video. Eating, watch YouTube videos. Doing my makeup, watch YouTube videos. Having an argument, YouTube videos. Okay. Now that I am set, I am going to move on to my other concealer. Yes, I bought two. I got a deeper shade. This one is in Toffee. Hopefully I can use this as contour. Yeah, so if you saw my e.l.f. video, that was very funny. My e.l.f. Camo Concealer review. I bought the contour shade thinking it would be a contour shade, but it turns out it was my actual skin tone, so that did not work. I don't know if I should do too much. Let's try this.
I'm just a little afraid. Bring her light. Double chin. Who is she? We don't know her.
Let's just see how that spreads out, and it really does go a very long way. It does dry a little bit, which is kind of weird considering it's a skin finish. This is very awkward talking like this. I think it's blending pretty nicely. I would do one section at a time, I think, for future reference. Blend one side of your face, one face at a time. One side of your face at a time. Bronzer. So I said that so weird. Bronzer. I got the Tan and Gorgeous bronzer. That drip is so satisfying to me. The mirror is really nice. I think this is freaking cute. I wish everything was more consistent, like, you know, making the tops maybe pink or something, just so like the package is all consistent, because I know she comes out with different things at different times and the packaging is always different, so I'm just saying. I don't know what shade to get. I don't know how pigmented these are. There's honestly no fallout. So let us try. Oh, this is pigmented. It's a little too red. That's fine. We learn as we go. Okay, overly tan, who cares? But to be honest with you, I probably would be blending this product in with my beauty blender. I have come to like that a lot more, to be honest, because I feel like it kind of sinks into the skin. I think it looks like more natural that way. What do I know? I don't know. So far, everything's actually blending pretty well. I think the only thing is getting the color that you want or that you were expecting. But that's the thing with online orders, you know? I also got the Kylie Cheers Darling highlighter illuminating powder. Sorry. It also comes in that little cute pink packaging. So I'm gonna get a little bit of this. I just want to touch it. It's a little scratchy, but it looks pretty. This is a really true golden highlighter, so we're just gonna swirl that in there and let us see. Oh, okay, you can see it. See. Oh, okay, you can see it. It's not like in your face kind of a highlighter, but it's really pretty. I liked this. We also got the wet set. Oh, I just hit my face. Oh my god.
Just hit my face. Oh my god.
I think if you saw one of my Kylie fake Take Me on Vacation collection, I had the fake one. So this is a real one. Let's see. and it came broken. Oh, kind of. Oh, it is really nice to the touch. I know that these were supposed to be like not gel-like, but like putty. So I'm gonna swatch it. I love the texture of this. This is Privacy Please, Damn, Unbothered. It's nice and cold. So this one is more champagne-y, that has more of a peach. Do Not Disturb. Ooh, an icy pink. And then we have Getaway. This is like, it feels like oil. It has like that oily texture to it, which is really nice. Let's just go with Do Not Disturb on this side of my cheek. Okay. That's pretty. Let's try Privacy Please on the other. I wonder if these blend better with a beauty blender. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and put that in there. Oh, yeah, definitely. Beauty blender, in my opinion, is the way to go to apply these highlighters.
Wow.
But honestly, these feel like butter. They feel like absolute creamy goodness butter. I'm going to use the bronzer for my eyes because honestly that is what I just feel like doing today. That is that. Super simple. I mean, like, honestly, I'm really not going anywhere. What I'm going to do next is show you the lip kits. So I did get the shade Kylie, which when I opened this, because I did try it on, I wasn't like the biggest fan of it. So I thought this was going to be like a peachy color, but it's really not. It's on my lips, I don't know, it's like it looks more brown. So it doesn't look like that on my lips, which is weird. It looks gray. And then this is the liquid lipstick, which if you really see it, I'm just kind of like, I don't know, it's like really pink. If you like pink, you might like this. But personally, I'm not the biggest fan of that one. I did also get the lip liner in coconut because it was like her favorite or whatever. So I want to see how this one looks like. See compared. Well, coconut's a little bit lighter, so I think I'm going to use coconut on my lips because I haven't tried it. So, and I do want to try it. So it's like a typical like nude. I am going to go in with the pink, the shade Kylie. See, it looks all pink. And that is Kylie Blended, which is not bad. I prefer it with the coconut lip liner than I do with the other one. Just because, I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. I prefer Candy K. If you're going to go with the pinky nude, I'd rather have Candy K. If you want to know the difference, this is Candy K. See the difference? It's more of a dustier nude, and then this one is a very pinky color. So I'm just gonna go in and hopefully this does not ruin what I have going on. And it smells really nice. Artificial, but really nice. So yeah, guys, that is literally my almost entire face. The bronzer, the highlighter, the lip stuff, the concealer, the contour, like everything. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below. I would love to hear if you like Kylie Cosmetics, if you don't, if you tried some of their things. Please let me know down below. Always subscribe if you have not yet already. Give this a like. Really, I'm really bad at this, okay? So if you don't like good content, I'm just kidding. If you don't like, if you want real, raw reviews, subscribe, like. Also, ring the notification bell so you know when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.